This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Edward Charles Beaker. Beautiful 3-bedroom plus den/office, 3-bath, 3-car garage home is located in the highly desired Lakewood Ranch community of Polo Run. As you enter the foyer, you will find an open floor plan that includes tray ceilings, crown molding, granite countertops, oversized kitchen with walk-in pantry, large island, and breakfast bar for casual dining. As you look directly through the oversized sliders to the lanai area overlooking a preserve offering privacy. The master suite with crown molding, tray ceiling and sitting area that also includes access through sliders to the lanai area. The master bedroom with ensuite bath offers 2 spacious walk-in closets, granite double vanities on opposite sides, and large walk-in shower. The second ensuite bedroom and bath that is perfect for guests and family. The additional den/office/study has French doors providing space for working at home office or a family den. Upgraded smart home, Lutron Caset smart dimmer switches, added 18 LED ceiling lights, smart garage doors, smart front door lock and ring doorbell. Additional upgrades included our fenced backyard, water softener, permanent shelves in garage for extra storage, laundry room shiplap firewall, GE profile refrigerator, backsplash in kitchen, under kitchen cabinet lighting, plantation shutters in back 2 windows, blackout roller in master bedroom and upgraded single deep sink in kitchen. Polo Run is a solar-enhanced community with state-of-the-art fitness center and aerobics/yoga room. In addition, the community center offers a lakeside resort-style heated pool with a gathering room, basketball courts, bocce, outdoor grills, tennis courts, pickleball courts, a playground, and a dog park. Polo Run is located close to the UTC Mall with world-class shopping, dining and entertainment. In addition, parks and trails, beautiful Gulf Coast beaches, with highly rated schools, convenient to I-75 and a short drive to downtown Sarasota.